chaired by Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab.
Our Jonathan Sachadoti talking to us earlier here from London. Now back in Israel, let's take a look at how Israeli medical tech companies are helping spearhead the way that coronavirus patients are being treated, both in the country and overseas. Now, one of the greatest concerns facing health authorities right now is how to protect medical workers from contracting the virus themselves as they treat patients with the highly contagious COVID-19. So for the latest on the story, we welcome to studio Professor Arik Eisenkraft, the Chief Medical Officer at Biobeat Technologies. Professor, thank you so much for joining us here in studio.
Thank you.
So talk us through this little laptop-looking contraption that you have brought here into studio. How does it work and how would it help patients right now in this country?
So Biobeat has developed an end-to-end solution, a platform that allows remote patient monitoring. And actually we developed it with no relation to the COVID-19 outbreak, but it caught us already prepared. And we have sensors, optical sensors, that you simply attach to the patient, and no matter where he is, the data is transmitted in real time to the healthcare provider. So, for example, I have now such a patch on myself, and as you can see, I'm a bit nervous, but I'm being monitored.
Right
yeah,
now,
that's
right?
true. That's true. I'm being monitored right now in real time. About 15 different vital signs, some of them of great importance specifically for COVID-19. And when everyone started to hear about that, we came to the Israeli Ministry of Health and to the different hospitals, some of which we are already working with, and told them, listen, we have an operational solution. And within less than 2 weeks, we've deployed our system in 16 different isolation units right now in 14 different hospitals all across the country. And the Biobeat sensor allows really a remote monitoring of the patient. So you simply attach it to the person once he is admitted, and from that moment on, the medical teams don't have to go inside with all of the protection gear and take the measurements. Everything is transmitted live into the electronic records.
So presumably then this would also work for patients who are staying at home but still need to be checked.
Definitely. So this system was originally was made to allow home hospitalization, and hopefully this will also help us now battling the COVID-19. You can attach it to everyone at home, and the data again is transmitted. This is a cloud-based solution, so there are no limits to how many people can be monitored at a certain time and for how long. We really believe in that and think that, as we already see, no limits to how many can be monitored.
And briefly, talk us through the impact that this kind of technology has in terms of overseas interest right now.
Yeah, well, there is a lot of interest from all over Europe, from the US, and also from other countries asking to test, and well, you know, we're actually past the testing phase. They now want to implement that in their units. We already have several orders, and this is an ongoing process. We are running 24/7, trying to provide that to you know, as much as we can to everyone.
Well, congratulations on this technology. As you say, it existed before, but going to be so useful both here in Israel and around the world. That's Professor Arik Eisenkraft, the Chief Medical Officer at Biobeat Technologies. Thank you for being in studio.
Thank you.
And for showing us all your vital signs here live on international television. Well, meanwhile, technology companies have decided to use their data collection services to help contain the coronavirus pandemic. Google is now using information collected from location services